Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on Sheffield TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when they see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Gary Neville will be one of the football pundits out there at Sky Sports. So Babacon come outside and talk say Arsenal and Liverpool can win the league if them beat Man City. Like if two of them beat Man City, it is over for Man City. So they need to get the belief. Say they fit do this thing, they fit beat them, because you can't be relying on people. That's if you are Man City, if you are Liverpool, or you are Arsenal. You don't feel they rely on people, make them help you beat this almighty Man City. Say you go play them. Arsenal go play Man City. Liverpool will play Man City. In fact, Liverpool now they play Man City next. So Liverpool should do all their best to collect maximum 3 points from Man City hand. Then when Arsenal self meet Man City, even though that one self will be at the Etihad, Arsenal must make sure they collect maximum points from Man City. If that happens, it is all over for Man City, because I don't want to do it, because this is a 3-horse race. Nobody say that them and one particular person they follow. Nobody they will say, okay, if this one lose points, we'll go. Arsenal will lose points, Liverpool will be ready to go. Liverpool will lose points, Arsenal will be ready to go. So that's the way him see him. And Arsenal are the only side this season we don't beat Man City 2 times. Man, I don't forget that we deal with them for Community Shield. At the same time, the first leg for the Emirates Stadium, we also dealt with them. So the third time we will go play, then go before the Etihad. So we'll just wait and see waiting everything will go. In fact, me, at the end of the talk say, you know, go make sense make Man City beat Liverpool for the match they will play next, so that at least Liverpool will calm down. If we say we win our own match against Brentford, we go overtake Liverpool. You get, so the points will come day very low. Then when we come meet Man City, we'll come try all our possible best, put everything on the line to see whether we beat them, because Liverpool have a very easy path in this title running. The remaining 12 games, Liverpool games, they're easier on paper than Arsenal and Man City. So anytime make Liverpool go beat Man City, almost they fit knock everybody team, but the season end though. So I don't know what you think. Sure, I go feel say I want to make Liverpool beat Man City. I want to make Man City beat Liverpool. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, away from that, so today Sheffield United go host Arsenal for the Bramall Lane. Okay, so for that match, it will be somehow interesting. Sheffield are 20th on the table, the bottom 9 day. So this match, even then, because yesterday their star striker said don't get injury, go miss this match. They have a lot of players injured, so we'll run check the head-to-head for this game. So when you check the last 5 games we don't play for the Sheffield United home, we actually win 1, we draw 2, and we lose 2. In fact, the last time we play, we beat them 3-0. And now I feel like maybe the last 3 seasons ago, because don't think we meet this Sheffield United. So just very fortunate for them, say they come back to the EPL. Now we are meeting them, and they are a much changed side. The same way we self will be a much changed side. So we'll just see how the match will unfold today. And today match, we expect me say some kind of people don't recover from injury might play today. Remember, say Thomas Partey don't recover from an injury, and after that they talk say he go dey part of the squad. We go travel go Sheffield United today. It's going to be a late kickoff. Now for night, it will be all eyes will be on Arsenal to see how they will play against Sheffield United. So we'll just watch and see how things will be. Alright, so yesterday I was telling you guys about the new rule with the IFAB that already changed. So I'm going to tell you about the 3rd rule, the goalkeeper own that 8-second rule. So yesterday I did a mistake. I said 8 minutes. So not be 8 minutes. Even though people they asked me for the comment section, I'd already explained to them, but I felt I needed to say it again today so that people know who carry that 8 minutes for head. No, the IFAB they won't change. Normally, a goalkeeper has up to 6 seconds to hold the ball. You get. So if you don't pass 6 seconds, that's why I say sometimes so if you go give keeper yellow card, say bye they waste time or I beg free release the ball. So now they want to extend them to 8 seconds. So if they extend them to 8 seconds, some keeper will still push them to 10 seconds. So I just make a let you know, say no be 8 minutes, not 8 seconds. Alright, so I think I want to talk about Bukayo Saka. So we call it say Saka they continue to they improve. Say now Saka they more and more efficient. Saka is very dangerous. If you look at his numbers, you cannot deny that Saka is playing very well. Look at Phil Foden also. After the match Manchester City played against Manchester United yesterday, Pep Guardiola came out and said Phil Foden is the best player in the Premier League. He's just the hype your own player. If me I the hype my own Arsenal player, so that just the hype that so let's see Pep they do. They say Foden is the best player. So Foden not better pass Saka. So that one is your own opinion, chat. So it's not factual. Again. So all this, most of all these things, they somehow subjective. But the only way if you get the true representation of things, and when you compare the numbers of Bukayo Saka and the numbers of Phil Foden, and when you look at it, you will see say Phil Foden is even playing with so many world-class players. Yes, unlike Bukayo Saka. So we know they know the same thing. Well, that being said, so we'll just see my own thing within my head now today match. This Sheffield United, how many goals it will be? Which will happen for the match? Because many people they hope say Sheffield will pull an upset against Arsenal today, but God no will let that happen. Alright, so Pep Guardiola don't ask Manchester United, but they accept their reality. So when you are bad, and when you are good, you are good. You get say you need to accept that you are a little behind, so that you will come try to walk to come to a very good place, because Manchester United are still living in a fantasy land. Some of them still think saying at the time of Alex Ferguson and then they no, my dear, sorry. So that's not the era that you are in. This is a different dispensation. So you need to understand that you are not good enough to win the league now, or to even qualify for Champions League or even Europa League. Where they did now, they did like 11 points behind Aston Villa. You know what that means? How many games to go? And when you look at it, Manchester United are more prone to even drop more points than the Aston Villa. You get? They look at how many points they did behind Spurs. We can't get one outstanding. Spurs get one outstanding. So when you look at all these things, for them, because they see Ten Hag for the post-match press conference, they say yes, we can still make top four. I want to do one. Now with my out, it's not possible. You get? Numerically, it's not possible, because the way how they see them, they will still drop more points. So it is what it is. Like I tell that my friend, you see yesterday I be support Manchester United. I heard like say, when I just take and say, una time don't pass. Yes, so I need to rebuild very very well. Just be like when Arsene Wenger come for Arsenal, you know how many suffer till Arteta come get the pieces of him puzzle because they enjoy now becoming the best defensive team in the league. You get as Ibobi say, we fit outscore everybody and become the best attacking and defensive team in the league. It's possible. One season go end, when you look goal scored, you say Arsenal outscore everybody. Look defense, you say Arsenal conceded less than everybody. So that's the only thing missing in this Arsenal team, not to win something, because we are good enough, not just to win something. But we'll just watch here. Alright, so we're going to hear from Sports Mole. Say Arsenal, the scouts, Sporting Lisbon. The match of Sporting Lisbon play against Benfica. Sporting Lisbon play 2-1. So Arsenal actually sent scouts over there to go and watch the match and scouts two players. Usman Diomande, who is the centre back, and Arsenal, if you say they won't use him as a cover for Gabriel Magalhaes. Because Magalhaes don't really get a direct cover. I say they won't push indirect cover na Kivio. But from the look of things, I say Arteta won't push Kivio today for that left back, the way Ben White did for that right back. I remember I said before, Ben White now a centre back now. The coming of Saliba, I pursue and go flanks. You get, you can't do it permanently. So from the look of things, our left back moving forward might be Zinchenko and Kivio. Those two nights go there permanently. So okay, we don't get cover. We get strong cover for Zinchenko. So for Gabriel Magalhaes, he has no cover presently. You get, although Kivio can still play there, but on paper he has no cover presently. So they look this Usman Diomande ahead of next season. Then at the same time they are looking at Victor Gyökeres, because now the same Sporting Lisbon and the guy they play. So it will be paramount for us to see how we take bring this player to the Emirates Stadium and see how it will take blend with all our players. More just with at the end of the season, we'll see whether Arsenal they really go for the player. Alright, so for the match we won't play today, it could be the first time where Arteta will use a very very formidable midfield of Thomas Partey, Odegaard and Declan Rice for the EPL. From the reports where they read, they can say this could be the first time where Ingo Duam this season. And in fact, now what we carry from mind, we don't want buy Declan Rice. So we'll blend Rice, Partey together, but Partey can unfortunately go down and let injury. Remember I said from the beginning of the season, Partey was playing right back. So they don't say they're mixing with Rice together and they were not using Gabriel Magalhaes, but fortunately or unfortunately if you like, Partey can't go injury, remember guys can't come in. The guys in Zinchenko can't go in normal position. But we'll just see the lineup where Arteta go play today, because all I can tell you for free is that Thomas Partey is part of the squad. They're going to look whether Zinchenko, Tomiyasu, Fabio Vieira, Gabriel Jesus go also be part of the squad. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, Sheffield United for the entire season they don't score 22 goals this season, and for their last 13 home games they don't score 12 goals. For you to know, say for them to even score against the best defensive side in the league, it would be very, very slim, unless maybe across an odd or penalty. But say Tiki Taka they won't open us, oh my god, they're very, very hard. In fact, I see them playing defensive the match go end, but you know, they can never say never. This is the EPL, so if we do anyhow, if we get a shocker, so we must not underrate them. Like we said at the top, we know they underestimate them. We are taking them so professional. They take them very, very serious. And we'll go there, see how we collect our maximum points, add them to our tally for the table, and look forward to the next match against Brentford at the Emirates Stadium. Alright, so the point they ask Arteta, say how many points now we actually need to win the league. Arteta when they explain, say to win this league you need at least 90 points, because when you look at the matches we will get remaining 12 points, if we win all those points, all those matches, then we will get 94 points at the end of the day. So Arteta they explain, say you need close to that number to actually win the league. For us to win the league, we need to win like almost everything. Like Pep they tell him boys, say to win the league you need to win all your games. The 79 Jurgen Klopp said they tell young players, say to win this Premier League you need to win almost all your games to be successful. So that's why you just watch out, everything will unfold. For those who know they are aware, so Barcelona don't prioritize Rafinha and Jules Koundé. See, they would like to sell those players. They will be in the market at the end of the season. So I would ask them to go back for that Rafinha, because I know so once upon a time Arteta appreciates the player. Even Depp himself take him out to talk up. Say Arteta really call him about Rafinha, but Rafinha don't talk saying a backer or nothing. So now if you say the guy will be available, will we be going for him again, because he's going to be coming for a cheaper option compared to Pedro Neto, who they hear say if he costs like 60 to 80 million. But most of the see where Arsenal will go back for the player. So by the Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday, they should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. That came out.